In this video, I am going to show how to install OpenStack Tacker, which is a popular platform for network function virtualization or NFV. In the end, you will have an NFV installation like the one shown here. We have VNF catalogs, which allows creation of the VNF descriptors. So in this video, for convenience, I will install OpenStack Tacker on a virtual machine in VirtualBox. But the same steps can be used to install OpenStack Tacker in a physical machine as well. So to create a virtual machine that has Ubuntu Server 18.04 installed, if you want to learn how to create such a virtual machine, please refer to my previous video on this. So before beginning installation, please ensure that there is an interface, in case of VirtualBox, host-only interface with correct IP settings. So for this installation, I have set up the IP address to 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. So in order to install Tacker, first start the VM or server and then log into the terminal using SSH or secure shell. So to install Tacker, I will use devstack, same as we did to install OpenStack previously. So now create a dedicated user named stack using the command shown here. So once you run this command, this user should be created, but for here is already created. So then add the new stack user to the sudoers list of sudoers using this command stack all equals in parentheses all no PASSWD :all. So append this line to the etc/sudoers file using the nano command line editor. And then switch to the stack user using the command sudo -u stack-i. And now we will clone the devstack GitHub repository using the git clone command with the URL for that repository, and I will need to specify the branch for this video, the stable/ucd branch. So you may use another branch or not specify any branch at all, but be aware that it may not work due to compatibility with your host operating system, in our case Ubuntu Server 18.04. So feel free to experiment, but only if you have the time. Now we need a local.conf file to let devstack know some important details about the installation, such as host IP, secrets, and which set different settings, and which modules to install, such as the Tacker module, of course. So let's go ahead to create the local.conf file in the devstack directory. Copied this local.conf file, which was already created, to the devstack directory, and you can see it using the nano editor. The same settings and the same commands are included in this local.conf file. Now if you typed copy pasted it, you will need to hit Ctrl+O, but once the local.conf is there, use the command /stack.sh, and it may take a long time depending on your physical machine configuration and internet speed. So we'll come back once the installation is finished. Okay, so the installation is now finished, and OpenStack is successfully installed with Tacker. It's showing some configurations like host IP and dashboard, keystone URL, which all will be useful. So go ahead and save this information for later reference. So let's log into the newly installed NFV system using dashboard, using the URL given in the end of the installation. So here is our dashboard. We'll use the same credentials from as given here. Admin, username is admin and password is secret, as I said earlier in our local.conf file. So this is our OpenStack Tacker system. The related NFV features such as VM management, VNFG catalog, PNFG manager, etc. can be accessed through the NFV menu. So that's the end of this video. Thank you.